So a lot of people have asked me before, how does the throttle linkage go back in on a Stihl TS420? I've got a linkage in my hand here and I'll show you exactly how that goes in. So look at the Z-bend right here. And what you want to do is get that Z-bend right down here. And it's good if you go down with the Z-bend in this position. Get it in there. See that? I'll pull back just to show you again. Get it in there, then just turn it just like this, and I sometimes lock it in this small groove over here. Then once the cover is down, I can put it back in the throttle. Now if you have a saw part and it's dirty like this, just air blow it. And now grab yourself a good pair of pliers, and what you want to do is get the linkage right here and get it right there in the throttle lever. So I usually grab it right here at the front, and then you lift it up. You'll feel the throttle go up on the carb, and then you just slide it in there and push down. Sometimes you'll hear it click. And I've got a light here and you can see that the throttle linkage is in there properly. Now to take it out of the throttle lever, what I do is I hold this part down with a screwdriver, and while I'm holding it down, I basically just pull up on the linkage and it'll pop right out of the plastic. Now it's very important that you lock it down with a screwdriver, because if you don't, when you go to remove the linkage, you're basically just giving it throttle, and the throttle lever will move, but the linkage won't come out of it. And now you know how to put it back in if it falls out of place. Sometimes when I work on them, which is seldom, I don't work on these saws too often because they are very time consuming and most of the time not worth fixing. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.